children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will study about punctuation. Let's learn. The word punctuation refers to the correct use of various stops, pause or marks in writing so as to make the meaning of a text clear. जब पंक्चुएशन हम यूज़ करते हैं तो उससे क्या होता है, हमारा सेंटेंस कहाँ कंप्लीट हो रहा है, कहाँ हमें पॉज देना है या कहाँ पर हमें बिगनिंग में कैसे करना है, एंड में कैसे करना है, वो सब पंक्चुएशन मार्क से हमें क्लियर होता है और उससे जो हमारा टेक्स्ट होता है वो भी हमें अच्छे से समझ में आता है. नाउ रीड द गिवन सेंटेंसेस एंड नोटिस द मार्क्स इन कलर. Number 1. The gardener waters the plants. Full stop. The gardener has a bucket, a mug, a spade and a water pipe. The gardener's tools are very sharp. How beautiful the flowers are. There is signboard. Don't pluck flowers. Do you know his name? Question mark. The gardener says, trees are our best friends. In the above sentences, the marks in color आर कॉल्ड पंक्चुएशन मार्क. आपने जो सेंटेंसेस पढ़े हैं, जो भी कलरफुल मार्क्स हैं, ये हमारे पंक्चुएशंस हैं. द मोस्ट कॉमन पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स आर फुल स्टॉप, कॉमा, क्वेश्चन मार्क, कोलन, एपोस्ट्रॉफ, एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क, सेमीकोलन, हाइफन, कोटेशन मार्क एंड डैश. नंबर 1 इज द फुल स्टॉप. नाउ यूजेस. The full stop is used to indicate the end of an assertive sentence and many imperative sentences. The full stop is also called the period, especially in America. For example, the window is open, full stop, assertive sentence. Assertive sentence होगा तो उसके end में full stop का हम use करेंगे. Let it remain open, full stop, an imperative sentence. अगर imperative sentence होगा तो उसमें भी end में full stop आएगा. The full stop is always used at the end of an abbreviated word and to separate the letters in an acronym. अगर abbreviations हैं तो वहाँ भी हम full stop का use करते हैं. Now abbreviations: captain, professor, wing commander, saint, street, etc. The full stop is necessary when the last letter of the abbreviation doesn't coincide with the last letter of the abbreviated words. For example, professor. The full PROF के बाद हमने जो है abbreviation लगाया, उसमें full stop किया उसको, उसकी full form क्या है? Professor. But it is not necessary when they do coincide. For example, Mr. Now acronyms: UNO, SAARS, MBBS, PLO, etc. The general practice is to write acronyms without the full stops. For example, UNO, SARS, MBBS, PLO, etc. The question mark. Uses. The question mark, also called the mark of interrogation, is used to indicate the end of an interrogative sentence, whether it's a direct question or an indirect question. That is a sentence with a question tag. जो क्वेश्चन मार्क होगा, हम जहाँ भी जिस भी सेंटेंस में क्वेश्चन पुट अप करते हैं उसके एंड में हम इंटरोगेशन मार्क को जरूर देंगे. चाहे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन हो या इनडायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन हो, हमें उसमें इंटरोगेशन मार्क देना होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, why is the window open? Direct question. After all, it is chilly, isn't it? A sentence with a question tag. तो इसमें भी interrogation mark देना होगा. Now note, be careful. When a question in direct speech is reported, it becomes an assertive sentence and so should end in a full stop, not a question mark. For example, she asked him why he was late, full stop. ये क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे पुटअप नहीं किया गया, तो यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट स्पीच है, रिपोर्टेड स्पीच है, सीधे हमने यहाँ पर इसमें फुल स्टॉप का यूज़ किया है, तो ये एजर्टिव सेंटेंस होता है. द एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क. नाउ यूजेस. The exclamation mark is used after an interjection and at the end of any exclamatory sentence and some imperative sentences. For example, few. जो हमारा exclamation mark होता है उसमें क्या होता है, हम इस तरीके से मार्क करते हैं और हम इसको कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं, इंटरजेक्शन की बात. जैसे few exclamatory में mark, that was tough, an interjection followed by a forceful assertive sentence. Now how fast he runs, exclamation mark, an exclamatory sentence. Next, it can also be used at the end of an assertive sentence if it has to be expressed forcefully. In general, it is used to express a sudden emotion such as praise, surprise, wonder, joy or sorrow. ये sudden emotions को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं. जैसे सडन इमोशंस होते हैं, आपके किसी की तारीफ़ की है, आश्चर्य आपको हुआ है या खुशी हुई है या दुख हुआ है, तो इसके साथ हम एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क को यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, गेट आउट, एन इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस, हाउ सैड, इट्स अ फीलिंग. I hope this is clear to you now. This is your exercise, you have to practice it. Next is the comma. Uses to separate more than two independent entries in a list. Commas are used to separate connected words in a list except for the last two words, which are normally connected by one of the coordinating conjunctions and or. कॉमा जनरली हम कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं, वर्ड्स को सेपरेट करने के लिए. लास्ट के जो टू वर्ड्स होते हैं उनके साथ हम कॉमा का यूज़ नहीं करते हैं, उनके साथ कॉमा के बदले हम कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस एंड या और को यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द पांडवा ब्रदर्स वर युधिष्ठिरा, भीमा, अर्जुना, नकुला एंड सहदेवा. द आइटम्स इन द लिस्ट आर ऑल नाउन्स. ये सब क्या है, नाउन है, नाम है किसी के. Arjuna was intelligent, handsome, strong, brave, talented and devoted. The items in the list are all adjectives. सारे adjectives हैं, handsome, intelligent, strong, brave, talented. ये सब क्या है, adjectives हैं. Next, to join independent clauses in particular complete sentence to form a single sentence. This is a generalization of point 1. The clauses often begin with a conjunctions such as and, but, or, while or yet. For example, the widow had very little to live on, but she would not beg. The spider quietly climbed the spout, but the sun disappeared. Clouds formed. The rain came down and the spider got washed away. Next, to separate a non-defining relative clause. जो non-defining relative clause होता है उसके लिए भी कॉमा का यूज़ किया जाता है. A non-defining relative clause has to be separated from its antecedent by a comma. Non-defining जो relative clause है उसको उसके antecedent से अलग करने के लिए, सेपरेट करने के लिए कॉमा का यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, माई फ्रेंड राज हु इज़ स्टडिंग फिजिक्स हैज़ रिटन अ न्यू बुक. दैट लवली हाउस विच इज़ ऑन टॉप ऑफ द हिल इज़ अप फॉर सेल. नेक्स्ट, to separate the dependent clause from the main clause in a complex sentence when it is written first. If the main clause is written first, then the comma is not used. For example, जो dependent clause है उसको main clause से separate करने के लिए भी हम इसको use करते हैं. जैसे when I went there, it was raining. It was raining when I went there. After it had rained for half an hour, the sun came out. The sun came out after it had rained for half an hour. Next, to separate an introductory yes or no and adverbs of comment. For example, yes, he is a billionaire. आप जो introductory yes और no है उसको separate करने के लिए भी comma का use करते हैं. No, comma, he is not dishonest. Fortunately, he had the ticket in his pocket. Often, comma, they would gather together in the evenings. Next, to separate the day of the month and the year when writing our dates. For example, April 18, 2022. डे और जो मंथ का आपका डे डेट है उसको भी सेपरेट करने के लिए भी आप इसको यूज़ करते हैं. टू सेपरेट ईच पेयर ऑफ वर्ड्स कनेक्टेड बाय एंड. आपका कोई भी पेयर अगर एंड से कनेक्टेड है तो उसको सेपरेट करने के लिए भी कॉमा का यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द सन एंड द मून, द स्टार्स एंड द स्काई, द अर्थ एंड द ओशियन वर ऑल मेड बाय गॉड. To separate direct speech from the reporting verb and its subject. For example, hurry up, he said to his servant, do not waste time. After the salutation and complimentary clause in a letter. Salutation के बाद और जो complimentary clause होता है उसके बाद भी comma का use करते हैं. जैसे dear Shilpa, comma, yours faithfully, comma. To mark off words used in addressing people. For example, how are you, Anu? Question mark. Our hope lies in him, the Lord, he who has made heaven and earth. Next, when writing long numbers by bunching the digits in threes from the right. For example, the speed of light is approximately 3 lakh meters per second. तो यहाँ आपने क्या किया है, जो 300 के बाद कॉमा दिया, 000 के बाद कॉमा दिया, फिर लास्ट में जो है आपने इसको कॉमा नहीं दिया और यहाँ पर हमने कॉमा का यूज़ करके इसको सेपरेट कर दिया. The semicolon. We use a semicolon when a pause whose length is greater than that of comma, but shorter than that of a full stop is required. अब सेमीकोलन का यूज़ आप कहाँ करते हैं, जब आपको पॉज कॉमा से जब लंबा पॉज होगा तो उसमें आप सेमीकोलन का यूज़ करेंगे. कॉमा से लंबा होगा लेकिन फुल स्टॉप से छोटा होगा तो वहाँ आप इसको यूज़ करेंगे. नाउ यूजेस. द सेमीकोलन इज यूज्ड first to join two clauses of a compound sentence when they are not joined by a coordinating conjunctions. अगर coordinating conjunction से join नहीं है तब आप इसका use करेंगे. For example, to err is human, to forgive divine. She was a good, hard-working woman. We all respected her. Today we love what tomorrow we hate. Today we seek what tomorrow we shun. Today we desire what tomorrow we fear. Next, to separate a series of loosely related clauses joined by and, but, still, yet, etc. जो loosely related clauses है, जो and, but, still, yet से join है, वहाँ भी हम इसको use करते हैं. For example, the circus came to an end and the troupe was greeted heartily. They were very tired after the day's march. Still, none of them wanted to rest. Next, as a generalized comma, when confusion might arise by using the comma itself. For example, at the party, they met Ram, the lawyer, Shyam, the doctor, and Hari, the jeweler. The colon. We use a colon to mark out an even longer pause than that expressed by the semicolon. Semicolon से जो लंबा pause होगा उसके लिए colon का use करेंगे. Now uses. The colon is used first to introduce a word, comma, phrase or clause which is hinted at in the preceding clause. In this case, the second clause explains more fully the meaning of the first. For example, there was only one man who could take Hitler on Churchill. The bridge could not be seen. It had been washed away by the flash flood. I know Renuka very well. We were together in the hostel for 4 years. Next, to introduce direct speech, particularly when the reporting verb and the direct speech are separated by an adverb or the object of the reporting verb. हम इसको डायरेक्ट स्पीच को इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए भी यूज़ करते हैं जब रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब डायरेक्ट स्पीच में एडवर्ब से जो है सेपरेट किया जाता है या एडवर्ब से या ऑब्जेक्ट से. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, Confucius said to his followers, "He who wishes to secure the good of others has already secured his own." Mahatma Gandhi often said, "Violence is the weapon of the weak, non-violence that of the strong." Next, to introduce a list of related items. For examples, the 8 parts of the speech are the noun, the pronoun, the verb, the adverb, the adjective, the preposition, the conjunctions and the interjections. ये सारे क्या हैं? Parts of speech है. इनके साथ भी हम यूज़ करते हैं. Asha's virtues are as follows: honesty, loyalty, sincerity and simplicity. The apostrophe. The apostrophe is mainly used to form the possessive form of nouns and to form certain contractions. In possessives, the apostrophe is used to show the possession of nouns, whether singular or plural. जो apostrophe है उसको हम कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं? पोजेशन शो करने के लिए ज़्यादातर कि कौन सी चीज़ को नाउन या कोई भी चीज़ें किसकी हैं उसके लिए हम apostrophe को या कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं apostrophe को. पोजेसिव केस में क्या होता है? पोजेसिव केस में हम वी यूज इट टू शो द पोजेशन ऑफ नाउन्स, चाहे वो सिंगुलर हो या प्लूरल हो, विच डू नॉट एंड विद द लेटर्स, एंड एड एन apostrophe followed by an s. For example, the child's bag, the bag of the child, the woman's clip, the clip of the woman, the children's school, the school of the children. Next, added if the noun is plural and ends with an s. कहाँ पर noun अगर plural में हो और end में उसके s आ रहा हो. For example, the dog's bones, the bones of the dog, the bird's nest, the nest of the bird, the Chandra's house, the house of the Chandra, the members of the family named Chandra. The Jonas Golf Club, the golf club of the Jonas, the member of the family named Jones. Generally, added if the noun is a proper noun, is singular and ends with an s. Noun proper noun है, singular है और end में s है. But it is better to add an s after the apostrophe. For example, James' father, the father of James, but it is better to write James' father. Next is added if a singular noun is not a proper noun but ends with an s. Singular noun अगर proper नहीं है लेकिन अगर last में s आता है तो भी हम use करेंगे. Followed by an s. For example, the princess's bodyguard, the bodyguard of the princess. Added to form the possessive in the case of compound nouns by first pluralizing the main noun. For example, my 2 sisters-in-laws children, the children of my 2 sisters-in-law. In contraction में कैसे use करते हैं? There are some cases in which 2 words which occur together are joined and some letters in between are omitted. In such cases, the apostrophe is used to signify the missing letter. Signify करता है missing letter को. जब हम apostrophe use करते हैं इस केस में तो वो क्या show करता है कि letter missing है. 3 cases in which this happens frequently are noun, pronoun plus auxiliary verb, primary or modal. For example, I am, I am. I am late, I am late. You are, you are. You are late, you are late. She is, she is, she has. She is late. She is late. She is woken up late. She has woken up late. I would, I had. I would like to wake up late. I would like to wake up late. I would woken up late. I had woken up late. They have, they have. They have woken up late. They have woken up late. We will or we shall be late. He will be late. He will be late. Now note, what verb the abbreviated word means depends only on the context. इसका जो मीनिंग है वो उसके कॉन्टेक्स्ट पर डिपेंड करता है. Now modal verb plus have. This happens with the 4 past tense form of modals. For example, should have, would have, could have, might have, might have. Next, auxiliary verb plus not. Each of the primary auxiliary and modal auxiliaries has a negative contracted form. These are all listed below. Now, primary auxiliaries are, am, is, was, were, have, has, had, does, do and did. Negative form aren't, isn't, wasn't, weren't, haven't, hasn't, hadn't, doesn't, don't and didn't respectively. Modal auxiliaries shall, will, should, would, can, could, may and might. Negative form shan't, won't, shouldn't, wouldn't, can't, couldn't, may not and mightn't respectively. Modal auxiliaries must, dare, need and ought. Negative form must not, dare not, need not and ought not respectively. Common mistakes: the possessive of the pronoun it is, its, not it is, is used only for either it is or it has. Hence, the following sentence is incorrect. The dog was feeding its puppies. It should be its. Now, this is your exercise. You have to do it. Next is the hyphen. The hyphen, like the apostrophe, is used between the letters of a word. Now, uses it. Primary use is to connect the component words of a compound words. For example, jack of all trades, father-in-law, passers-by. Next, it is also used with certain prefixes, particularly if there is the possibility of confusion in pronunciation of the resulting word. अगर resulting word के pronunciation में confusion हो, उसकी possibility हो, तो वहाँ पर भी इसको use करते हैं. For example, vice captain, ex president, re-entry, etc. As a special case of compound words, the numbers from 21 to 99, excepting 30, 40, etc., are written with a hyphen when they are spelled out. For example, 31, 86, 92, etc. Next is inverted commas. These are also called quotation marks and are of two types, single inverted comma and double inverted comma. जो inverted commas होते हैं जनरली हम इनको मार्क सेंटेंस को कोट करने के लिए भी इनको यूज़ करते हैं. ये दो तरह के होते हैं, सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा एंड डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा. ब्रिटिश यूजेस फेवर्स सिंगल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा while American uses favors double inverted comma. ब्रिटिश सिंगल को फेवर करते हैं और अमेरिकन डबल को फेवर करते हैं. Now uses. The primary use of inverted comma is to enclose direct speech. For example, please bring me a glass of milk, said the son to his mother. Direct speech को enclose करने के लिए भी हम इसको use करते हैं. Where do you live? asked the stranger. If a quotation occurs within a quotation, the inner one is enclosed within double inverted comma. अगर quotation जो है quotation के ही अंदर आ रहा है तो हम उसमें क्या करते हैं, जो अंदर वाला होता है उसमें डबल इन्वर्टेड कॉमा को यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू माइट एज वेल से added the march here that I like what I get is the same thing as I get what I like. Next, inverted commas are also used to indicate the titles of books, poems, stories, films, etc. अगर फिल्म की, बुक की या स्टोरी का टाइटल आपको देना है तो भी इन्वर्टेड कॉमा का यूज होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैकबेथ, ओड टू अ स्काईलार्क, द काबुलीवाला. They are also used to emphasize or draw attention to a particular word in a sentence. Particular word को और emphasize करने के लिए भी, जब हम emphasize करते हैं किसी चीज़ को तो उसके लिए भी हम इसका use करते हैं. For example, I thought that you told me that your friend is thin. Now, I hope this is clear to you now. It's your exercise. You have to practice it.